it's going to be a helpful video anyways. All right, well, good evening everybody. Welcome back to another upload of It's a Dyer Thing. Today we're going to be talking about the grill lights. So this is a set of grill lights that I picked up off of Amazon, which are also sold on eBay and stuff like that. Yeah, a little orange. So that's where they're going to go. They're going to go in here. And so when I was on the Amazon page before I picked it up, I mean, it said it's all plug and play, which as you can clearly see, it does have the harness. It is all plug and play, and it said that it's very simple to put into your Jeep without any modifications, without any cutting and stuff like that, which that unfortunately is untrue. It does require some cutting, and this is what we're going to do today, unfortunately. So as you can see here, I already have a first cutout. That was actually a cutout for my camera, and we're going to be installing back my camera onto it, but the light is now going to go into this place here, and then the other ones are going to go onto, I'm not sure yet, maybe here, one here, and here, or should I go into these ones here? I don't know. We'll have to decide how far we can go here. Well, there you go. It's told me it can only go there, right? So 1, 2, and 3. That's where they're going to go. And then we're going to run down and we're going to connect this, and we're going to hopefully try and find the actual factory connection for this. So it is supposed to be running off of the daytime lights or the side markers there. So let's get that connected up, and there we go. Yeah. Cover here, right? It's all the big cover here. So the first thing we got to do is kind of take off the actual little tabs here, because we're going to basically pull the grill forward. Now, a lot of people say it's probably best to actually remove the whole grill, but because I have my winch that's in its way here, I do not think I can pull it out unless I can flex the front to pull it out. We'll see how much work we have. I'm not too keen on cutting more plastic trim bits here, but I guess I got to do what I got to do, right? So I'm not like I said, I'm not very happy about cutting. I hate cutting plastic.
Yeah, but it's just plastic.
Yeah, I know, but if it doesn't work, so this is what I want to do. It's actually, I want to take the grill off, see if we can find the location where the connector goes, test it before I start cutting away. Right, that's the last thing I want to do. If I can, I want to get it. It would be really nice. As soon as I installed the winch, I'm like, oh, I think I'm going to get into trouble if I ever need to take my grill off, but I don't. Okay, so, all right, definitely going to give us a lot more room here. So we'll still have to saw and all that. But like I said, the first thing I want to do is find, so these lights are going to go here, right? This has to kind of come underneath here, and what's that? Sorry, can I borrow this light? I don't know if that has to do with my daytime running lights. It almost looks like it, eh? Because other than that, what else is there? So after a lot of removing the fenders and kind of like pulling it back here and then kind of searching everywhere, we finally located where the actual connection goes here. So yes, it is plug and play, and it does use the factory harness, and that you're going to route your wire down underneath, in through here, underneath over this fender, right? So it's going to be inside here, tucked in, and the actual other harness where you're going to connect it to is around about here. Okay, so inside underneath. So I'm going to crawl underneath once we've actually finished installing these actual wires onto the grill, and then we're going to kind of get all that passed up, and then we're going to route it under here. So I'm going to crawl back underneath and get myself dirty again, show you exactly where the connector is. But yes, so line yourself up to the front, underneath again, and it's right about here. Okay, so that's where it is. So anyways, let's get the grill modified. I'm going to do a first test here. Actually, let's do that now. We can see how well
it sits.
It sits, right? So once we get routed that in, right? So 1, 2, and 3. So it's going to be the middle one. They do come with a rubber seal here, so I got to take the rubber seal off. All right, let's get to that. Basically, what I'm going to do is just take my hacksaw blade. All right, so this is the other one we're going to go to. So we need to cut this like that one.
Oh, so it kind of squeezes it in and just pushes them instead.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, so it still has pressure on the thing.
2, so I've cut that and that. And now I think I need to cut down here. Or cut here.
Fuck.
Let's take this off. Let's kind of push this up through.
Do it sideways first.
Yeah. That's not bad, actually. That's gonna be nice and tight, right? Sorry guys for the darkness. It's bloody fucking dark here, but that's what happens when you work in a garage. All right.
That one's clean. That one, yeah, that one's good too.
It's okay now or what?
Yeah, it's much better.
Huh?
Yeah, it's much better.
Okay. And then this one. I have to, like I said.
It's all perfect placement though, so once you figure it out.
Yeah, so there we go. Let's get this now wire. Here, I'm gonna need you
to hold it.
Just to hold that like that. I have to find
just
placement.
Watch you not running onto like any hot lines.
Yeah, I got the oil cooler there. Right. So now we've ran it through the rod here, which will come from underneath. Run it over here. Huh? Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, well, in a second I can get the bumper almost back onto it. So, so that's gonna go through there. Now let's kind of crawl underneath here. So the connection is around 2 feet in front of me there. So we're gonna kind of go up. Oh, dirt. Yum.
And I can actually hold the light. Or
Yeah.
the fender back.
Or here, I'll get underneath here now. All right, pass me the light. Perfect. Oh, perfect. Thank you so much, sir.
Connected?
In a second. I'm just kind of looping it over another
so it's
harness.
Much slack.
There we go. That's locked. That's locked in place. Okay. I do want a zip tie. Here, can you take one zip tie out for me?
Oh, it's being held by the tire now.
Huh?
It's being held up by the tire.
Yeah. Okay, that's it. Oh, for fuck's sake. Now when they give you T-passes zip ties and they break, that's super freaking annoying. So anyways, okay, you know what?
Put it underneath the fucking
Huh?
Throw it underneath.
Yeah. I mean, it's gonna be underneath the fender anyways.
So,
it's already hooked up onto that part there, so pull the fender back over. All right.
Just as long as it doesn't get like and falls back.
Yeah, no. Hold on.
Tuck it in.
When I'm gonna put the when I put the bolt up through, I'm gonna pull the wire through. Yeah, here you go. Wow, super freaking annoying, guys. This has been nothing but an absolute mess. I have one bolt. Oh, that goes there. So now I need to find. Yeah, now it's up out of the way. Oops. So now I got the harness coming out through, going around this bolt.
Okay.
So this way it won't loosen up.
Or at least fall back through.
Yeah.
Then you could do the same for the next bolt.
Whew. No, this one I can't. It's it comes out way too far over here.
So it's just stretches
So,
it too much.
And then I'll have to go get a
Thing of new clips.
yeah.
All
A
of
new
them are broken?
no, just that one there.
Oh, yeah, the big one.
Just that little one there. All right.
Are you gonna do the pod light?
The pod lights. Yeah, but no,
I don't like them. I don't like what.
they're not going underneath the fenders.
No.
I'm going underneath the frame.
Oh, when?
So we got no. Yeah, I want to put 6 here, one in the front, shining up inside behind the grill.
You return them and I just buy you an underglow kit. How much easier it is.
No, it isn't.
You can change all your colors.
I don't want that.
Colors. You can
I need
stay
it for
white.
crawling. I need it for.
Yes, but you can stay white if you want, but you have the ability to change all your colors. There you go. You want to put orange for Halloween? You have orange lights in the front. It's gonna match. I'd go underglow, and then it's out of the way. It's a strip, right? It's not lights that can be smashed in and broken. It's just a strip. If you hit something,
Yeah, but these ones are going to go right underneath where the frame is and all that.
yes,
So
but underglow better. Change colors.
it's not a sport car.
I know it doesn't need to be a sport car, but you want white. It does every single color.
Yeah. So there we have it. All right. So all that's done. So while we're at it here, I'm going to pause this video, but it's going to be fairly simple. All we got to do actually is just mount up a camera here onto the front, which is going to be my next video here, showing you exactly what it is I did. I'm lucky enough that I have the JL Mini Taser, and then I ended up picking up from Amazon, not the JL Taser Mini front camera, but this is an aftermarket camera, and it's called from Autolux. So I'm going to put the description down below, and also on my next video coming up right now is going to show you how this is installed and what's actually included in the box. And even though it's only quarter the price from the one from JL Taser or Z-Automotive, it's really awesome. So let's get to that. So, but anyways, this is done here. You want to get a preview?
No, wait, look though.
Well, let's just get a preview here, right? So there you go. So now that's officially done, but let's finish it up, get it all connected up and be done. All right, so thank you very much for tuning in. Thank you very much for subscribing. And until next time, guys, y'all be safe, be good, have fun. Take care. All right.